I'm back with another What I Eat in a Day video. Got some pretty good recipes for this one. Let's get started with breakfast. So I'm just going to start off with some almond milk non-dairy yogurt. This one is just plain. Adding that to a bowl along with some Trader Joe's pecan praline granola and some blackberries or any fruit of your choice. This is really customizable, super easy breakfast. For lunch, I've got a veggie wrap, and the first thing to do for that one is prep the veggies that are going to go inside the wrap. The first thing I'm doing is just chopping some carrots into really thin matchsticks and also slicing up a cucumber and a Granny Smith apple. Also chopping up some spinach. And I have this sriracha flavored baked tofu from Trader Joe's, so I just cut that up into relatively small rectangles and I'm going to bake it in the oven. I put it in for about 10 minutes at 400 degrees. Then I also cut an avocado in half, and you could cut it into slices or mash it up. I just decided to mash mine. And the first thing I put on the tortilla is hummus, followed by some of the mashed avocado, then the spinach, then the baked tofu, the apple slices, and the cucumber slices, and some of the carrots. And to finish it up, I just rolled up the wrap and cut it in half so it was easier to eat. And here's the final shot of the veggie wrap. For dinner, it's going to be a super simple roasted cauliflower bowl. So the first step is to prepare the cauliflower just by chopping off the leaves and the part of the stalk that is sticking out. And I only used half of a cauliflower for this recipe, although you could double the amount of the sauce and use the whole thing. Then I just chopped up some florets. And to make the marinade for the cauliflower, I started off with half a cup of soy sauce, a quarter cup of maple syrup, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, about a tablespoon and a half of sriracha, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of ginger, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, and then stir all to combine. Then I just added the cauliflower florets into the marinade and let them sit there for about 10 minutes, just stirring around to try and get them all evenly coated. I added them to a foil-lined baking pan and put them in the oven at 400 degrees for between 15 and 20 minutes. While they were in the oven, I made some brown rice. So I added that to a bowl. Then I added in some of the cauliflower. And last I added in some spinach. And that completes the roasted cauliflower bowl for dinner. I hope you enjoyed these recipes. If you liked the video, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.